ever spent the night in a Cracker Barrel parking lot with your RV? A lot of Cracker Barrels will let you do it. And tonight is our first night ever trying to sleep in a parking lot with Grace. Okay, see you in the morning.
The next morning. Hey, Gina.
Good morning, Jeff.
Good morning. Where are you?
I am in the parking lot of the Cracker Barrel.
I thought you were in our van, Grace.
I am in Grace.
You're in both.
Yeah.
And the Cracker Barrel is right over here. Oh, we're in a parking lot. By the way, look at those spots where we parked. Nice and level. Okay. And what did you think about the night, Gina?
It was quiet. I felt safe. And it was free. Other than we bought dinner last night at the
And you know
Cracker
what?
Barrel.
We had to eat anyway.
Yeah, exactly.
And it was reasonable.
Oh my gosh, yes. I will definitely be doing this again. It worked out great because Jeff and I didn't make plans. We didn't know for sure where we wanted to stop and how far we'd want to go.
And there was weather.
There was
wait
some
out.
thunderstorms that we had to wait out for a little bit. And so it was nice. I didn't need a reservation. I did call in advance because not every city will let Cracker Barrels use their parking lots to let people spend the night, but most do. And so it was really a great way to camp.
Now wait a second. You were sleeping inside a van all through the night. There's no hookups here, you know. Were we hot?
No.
Why?
The air conditioner in Grace is fantastic. And she doesn't use a generator. She just hooks up to our lithium batteries. And so we were able
And we have enough battery power in this Embassy RV to last the entire night running the air conditioner. And we also have rechargeable USB fans that actually we ran those all night too, and they ran right after their recharge power.
Yeah, so that was really great as well.
So we had not only the air conditioner, but the circulating of the air and everything. So, is it a thumbs up?
It's a thumbs up.